mau ya botal ya. Mos lo warto.
Just breaking news that has just come in indicates that VH, a very prominent primary school in Lira city, has caught fire. Information coming in indicates that it is the boys' dormitory that has caught fire. Parents who have their children at this wonderful primary school are advised to check on their pupils so that you get settled on emotional state of your mind. This is one of the most frequent things happening in Uganda, fire breaking out in the dormitory, and this school unfortunately happened to be one of the recent one. We hope there are no worst news and the rescue team are underway. Thank you.